So now I'm going to hopefully finish up the discussion of the case here. Question 7, as I said earlier, is what I want you to do is take the table that they gave you, and instead of, go back up here, having these be for a recession and below average and average state of the economy, act like these returns are for years 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5 for each of the assets. And on Blackboard I posted case 2, question 7, 8, 9 instructions. So really make sure you read those, because it goes through as best as I can do how to set up the table, and then you're going to have to do a regression for question 7 to calculate the betas. So how to do that in Excel, and how to set up your Excel data and things like that to do that. So make sure you look at that thing I posted to Blackboard for that. So then again, make sure you answer all the questions about what are these lines called, what's the slope of each line. Make sure you state that. Don't just make me go to the graph and figure it out for myself. State the slope of this line is this, or the beta of TICO is this. And then question 8 has you plot the security market line. Gives you a hint here about using the data in table 1 for the risk-free rate. That's the S&P 500, or that's the T-bond rate. And the required rate of return on the market, that's the S&P 500. Okay. Okay, so what you need to do on question 8 is first use the SML equation, the CAPM equation, to actually calculate the required rate of return on TICO. It says using value lines beta estimate of 0.6 as reported in figure 1. You probably don't have figure 1. It's a value line report you can't read anyway, but it doesn't matter. Just use a beta of 0.6 for TICO when you do that. And then make sure you answer this question down here at the bottom. And I want you to draw the SML graph. I've posted something to Blackboard to kind of help with that, where it's a basic SML problem with a graph. And in that instructions on questions 7, 8, and 9, I go through a little bit about how to plot the SML and come up with the graph too. And then question 9 is similar to 8, where it wants you to, some things change. Inflation goes up, the market risk premium changes, so what happens to the SML when that happens? So I'd like you to redo graphs for this also. Do like 3 other graphs, I believe, for this, and try to show the original SML somehow, and then the new SML after these changes occur, so you can see what happens to the SML as the economy changes and these changes occur.